Hi, welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and today we have another Mac tutorial. And in this one I'm going to show you an easy way to compress images on your Mac. So first things first, let's say I want to compress this screenshot here. Just a basic screenshot. You want to come up to the top here and select File, then you want to select Export. At the bottom here you want to change the PNG to JPEG. And now you have an option to change the quality of the image. And you can drag this up or down for better quality or lesser quality by going left. And as you can see underneath, the file size goes smaller the less quality you need. And let's say we leave it around here. Then we can press Save. Now let's check this new image here. 139 kilobytes, and the original image, let's check that, 352 kilobytes, so a significant saving. So that's an easy way how to compress an image on your Mac. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.